Before we get started, there's a special discount link for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement in the description of this video. About Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a new one-of-a-kind weight loss tonic supplement. It helps men and women burn fat fast using a simple 20-second Japanese tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is manufactured for the people who wish to lose their belly fat as soon as possible. Most of us exercise, monitor our diets, as well as forget about junk food till the times we think are fit again. However, the results are tremendously slow. Just cannot afford the time. Here is when the amazing Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes into the picture. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is so astonishingly powerful that you definitely will be amazed to check out the results. Not only do they reduce the belly fat to a great extent, but Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic also helps to improve the body's metabolism. Benefits of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This time is recommended because, in the morning, the body as well as its enzymes are highly active and perform the best. Thus, have Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic right in the morning to make you make the most out of this deal. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic side effects are absolutely minimum or none at all. Yes, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has been testified by thousands of existing customers who have been using this tonic to get rid of their unwanted belly fat. Moreover, you should know that Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic has been tried as well as tested on several customers. This means that you shall not be investing your hard-earned money into something unknown. Rather, it will be invested into something that is quite too popular for its effectiveness. The deal is extremely affordable. Yes, these tonics are manufactured in packages that offer the most affordable deals ever. You can either buy the 3 bottles, or 1 bottle, or even a 6-bottle package. All the prices of these packages come with huge discounts and, thus, make it easier for you to have them. A brief about the creator of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The Japanese company that had created Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement has been awarded several prizes for the good that it has brought into the lives of plenty of people who have been once suffering from the problem of accumulation of belly fat. Only a sincerely dedicated company can produce such a successful product. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Review Conclusion. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is a one-of-its-kind product that you just cannot afford to miss. The best thing about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic affordability is the free shipping deal. With the packages of 3 bottles, as well as that of 6 bottles, you get absolutely free shipping. Unlike other services offered in the market, such a great quality product is never offered in bulk and, that too, with free shipping. Okinawa Fat Burning Tonic makes this deal the one which one should never miss. Highly discounted price. Yes, the packages are made cheaper. However, if you want to only try how the tonic works out for you, then you shall have to pay the delivery charges as well as the mentioned rate for 1 bottle. Guaranteed product. You get the deal at a guarantee for about 90 days. So, now it is your turn to purchase this amazingly beneficial product and get rid of that belly fat quickly. Better do not sit and waste this golden opportunity to become healthy once again. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement free shipping order now, and improve your health. Just click on the link below.